I try my best to be a positive person. I tell all the ladies that they are beautiful. I tell all the men they ugly as a joke. I thought everybody can understand a joke, especially on YouTube, but apparently everybody can't. And what makes it so bad is even when we got off the live Madgie, I got to the swimming pool and I told the lady at the front desk, little girl, beautiful as I don't know what, hey beautiful, oops, can't say that no more because that might be offensive to people. I done said on my live stream 10 times to different beautiful people, they beautiful. I never thought that the word beautiful coming out of my mouth would be offensive to somebody. And if it is, that person has a problem. And that person don't understand Uncle Mike, even though even in your video you have said how many videos you have watched of my on my channel. And I thank you for that. It's all about views and subscribers. And you goddamn right. I want views and subscribers just like every other YouTuber. You have no leg to stand on, little girl. You have no leg to stand on. I'm 58. I've been in the streets. I've seen your kind and I know and understand what you did was ugly. Very ugly. And you know it was ugly. And you still trying to stand on a fucking leg. Everybody is jumping on you because you don't want to admit that you was trying to get views and subscribers and stuff off of Uncle Mike, and that's a no-no.
That's a no-no, because that's not a truth. But okay, I will apologize for what I did.
But you want me to apologize to you, remember? You said that in your chat. You said that you want me to apologize for calling you beautiful?
All through the thing.
I said you made me feel uncomfortable.
By calling you beautiful made you feel uncomfortable.
Yes, Uncle Mike, don't
You did it the entire video. You making facial gestures. You saying you done
okay, Golden Queen. So you're standing on what you're saying, right? What is your what are you apologizing for? What are you apologizing for?
Sorry,
what are you apologizing for? What are you apologizing for?
Why are you talking over top of the person that owns this channel?
That is true.
She is talking. You shut up.
Here we go.
Here we go. Team up. This is the team up now. Okay. Okay. This is the team up now.
Okay.
I got it.
All right.
I got
Golden
it.
Queen, you want to leave?
Madgie.
Yeah.
It's your choice. You're not an hostage.
Yeah. I seen the people. You're dragging me.
But
you're
Mom
roasting
wants
me.
to say something.
You calling me? Please.
No.
You calling me?
Golden, you were talking. I'm not interrupting you. If your mom wants to talk, why don't you let her talk?
I'm going to apologize to Uncle Mike.
That's the
why
main.
are you no, don't apologize before you answer my question. What are you apologizing for?
The video that I made.
Why are you apologizing for that video?
Because he was hurt by it and offended by the things that I was saying.
And but you still think that it had legitimacy and you had the right to do it. So you're apologizing for how it made him feel, not about really doing the video. Is that correct?
Yes. No, that's not what she said.
I mean, yes, it made him feel a type of way, and it made it painted some type of picture of his character that's not his character. He said that's not how he is. That's not who he is. That's not what he meant.
Believe that he is, because you can apologize for how he felt, but if you apologize for actually painting a wrong picture of his character, that is two different apologies. Which one are you doing?
Oh,
both.
Both apologies.
You're not, because after when he says, you continue with saying, oh, but the gesture, oh, but this, oh, but that, which legitimized your video.
Yes.
So you're apologizing for his feeling. You're not apologizing for the content.
Well, he apologized for my feelings. Isn't that fair? Fair is fair.
Yeah, it's fair. Okay, now I'm asking you a question because you said it was both, but now you're only saying it's one.
I
So which
told
one is it?
I apologize for making the video the way that I made the video that make it paint his character to be some type of man or person that he is not.
So
I
you
said
don't agree with the
that I
content.
still felt
Okay, so let's
uncomfortable
agree. This is
with
the
his
content of your video. This is the content of your video, right?
That's what you
Yes.
apologize for.
So are you apologizing for the content of your video?
Yes.
Oh yeah, because the things that the
So
content in
the
my
question
video
is
what
why you
painted
still
his character to
so
be
why are
somebody
you
he's
still
not.
acting? So why are you still asking him? What about the gesture? What about what you said? If you
Because my feelings are
apologize,
still
if
valid
you
and I
let
still
me
felt
finish,
uncomfortable.
Golden, let me finish. If you apologize for the content, you cannot then take the content and still use it against the person. Make a choice. Pick a
What
lane.
are you
You cannot
saying?
have
Take
both.
the video down? Is that what you're
That is not
asking
what
me?
I'm asking you. Am I asking you that?
Then what are you asking me?
Listen to my word. If you are apologizing for the content, it means that you do not agree. Do you want me to finish?
Yeah.
So let me finish. If you're apologizing for the content, it means that you do not agree with the content that you gave.
Oh no.
But
That's not what I'm saying.
if you still use the content and say, but what about the gesture? But what about the word? That means that you agree with your content. Which one is it? Do you
I
not
don't
agree
agree
with
with
your content or do you agree?
I don't agree with all of it.
You agree?
I don't agree with
You
all
don't
of it.
agree, so therefore don't use it when he's talking to you. Don't say, but what about the gesture? But don't call me this, but don't
But that's the
don't
issue.
use the content if
I'm
you
talking
don't
about the
agree with
rest of the
said
content in
content.
my video, Madgie. The
What?
entire video that I made, all of the
Yes.
content and the comments that I was making in my video. Some of those I made about a person that I don't know. So I'm saying things about him that's hurtful and painting his character to be something that is not. And I can
So
take
it is a
accountability
false
for that.
content. So it's
But I
false
still
content.
remain to say that
So
the
it's
way that
false
he was
content.
behaving and
It's
acting in
false
the comment
content.
video,
It's false content. Is that what you're saying?
girl, we're not gonna play these games.
I'm not playing games with you. You are
You
playing
hear
a
what
game
I'm
with
saying
me.
very clearly. I said I still am standing by the fact that when he was doing those things in the
So
video,
you agree with your content.
the
You agree
entire
with what you were
video,
saying.
it
You may
made
not
me
agree with
uncomfortable.
the
I didn't like
form. Oh yeah, we're playing a game of words. We're playing cat and mouse right now. She's pretty good. I will give her that.
it. We're
Okay.
not playing no cat and
Oh,
mouse.
we're fucking playing, little girl.
I
You
told
think
you
I
what
don't
it
see you?
is.
Please explain
The
this.
man said he felt
Exactly. So
disrespected.
you
I'm painting
agree
his
with the
character to be
content.
something
You
that's
may
not.
not agree with
I
the form
apologize
of your
for that.
content. You may not agree with the form of your content. I know all the little whistle out that your kind do. It's boring.
What is my
Okay.
kind, Reggie? What's my kind?
Like I said, oh, what
What
is
is
your
my
kind?
kind, Reggie?
Your kind is people who talk a lot of word salad. That is your kind.
So you still agree that you feel like I'm a trollish person?
Did I say that you're a troll? I said your kind is the
That's what
people
you
that use
said
word
in the
salad.
lesson you were trying to teach us about the trolls.
What are you talking about? You came on my panel to come and talk to us.
Y'all dragged me.
I'm
Y'all called
talking
me
to
a
you.
troll.
You're the only one obsessed with the troll. I am not talking.
Y'all
I literally
dragged
said
me.
people. Okay. So
Let
now
me
we are taking my word and twisting them. Is that what you're doing in my on my panel?
Y'all did the live
Telling you
dragging
your
me.
kind or the people who use word salad. You're telling me, oh, that
You're
means a
kind.
troll.
I don't like that type of verbiage. You're kind.
Perfect. Then I apologize for
kind.
that. I apologize. Is that okay with you?
Yeah.
Can we move on?
Look,
I'm apologizing to Uncle Mike. I
You're
am.
absolutely not
But I still am
apologizing. This is
telling
a
him
trap.
that my feelings are valid.
I'm not saying you're feeling a lot valid. Like I said, you're trying to put word in the mouth of people.
I'm
You're
not.
changing. Yes, you are. I'm bored.
I'm keeping it straightforward, Madgie. I'm keeping it straightforward.
Sincerely,
told
I'm
you.
really bored
I
with you. You know
apologize to
what,
Uncle
Steph?
Mike.
Maggie,
Be quiet,
Maggie,
Golden. No,
can I
Mike,
say
you
one
will
thing,
not
Maggie?
talk. No, Mike, if you insult her, she will use it as part 3. Please,
I'm
like
not trying to
Steph.
insult
Can
her.
I fix this
No,
so we
no,
can
no,
move
no,
on?
no,
Let
no,
me
no,
fix this so
no.
we.
No? Okay, not yet. All right, I'll be back.
Like I said, I see the gaslighting. I am bored. So I can see that this is going to be without an end because everything is subjective and everything can be twisted and everything can be taken. And like, I agree with my content, but I don't agree with my content, but my content is this and my content is that. Okay, all good. I am tired. So Golden, are you here?
She muted. One
Golden.
of the things. Let me just say one thing. I
I'm
gotta go.
listening.
Yeah.
Yes.
Let me fix this.
My mom wants to say something,
Can
and
I
I
fix
told her
this,
not
please?
to. But she said she want to say something. She's have a mind that's different than me. It's more mature. So maybe she can say some things that make more sense than I do. I don't know.
So
Maybe
your
you
So
don't.
Uncle
mom
Mike, do you
mind is
want to
more
talk
mature
to
than you.
the mother or you want to talk to Golden?
Sure, I talk to the mother. I talk to anybody in this world. I
Okay.
would love to talk to the mom.
Okay, let me sit there. Let me fix this. Let me fix this. First of all, hello to everybody on the panel.
Okay. Hello.
Basically,
Hello.
Uncle Mike, let me say this to you. My daughter does owe you an apology for that video that she made. She owes you that. It was wrong. It wasn't nice, and it was disgusting. Okay, that's coming from a woman 61 years old. Okay, I have
Okay.
never raised my child to be disrespectful to any elders or anybody like that. Now, what I have to say on behalf of her, because she did not know that this was your character and this was the way that you talk to other women, she felt offended. If she had known that this is just your personality, this would not be going on at all. Okay? Number two, her situation was, even if you had said, "Hey, sweetheart, you're pretty. Oh, God, you're pretty, Golden," she could have said, "Thank you," and let that be. But what her problem was that you continued this through the whole video, not just one little segment, not just one little comment. It went through the whole video. But like I said, she did not know that this is your personality. Everybody else knows your personality.
His
She
personality
did
is not to be
not
a
know.
perv. He just said
She,
sometimes when you act, okay, you're better than your daughter, I will give you that. But when you start saying the thing like during the whole video, okay, he made
well,
like three or four comments. I
I
watched
did
the
watch
video and
it.
I watched
I did
Gold.
watch it. It was
I did
continuous.
too. And I
It was
know Mike. And
continuous.
like when you say it is your personality, one, Golden has watched Uncle Mike way longer than one time. Okay, one. Two, don't
But
act as
you,
if being a pervert or
no,
being
she
inappropriate.
watched,
I'm talking.
but she
I'm
watched
talking.
them. I'm
I'm
sorry.
talking.
I'm sorry. Go right ahead. Now
Is
I'm
being
61. Go ahead.
inappropriate is not his personality. He
Mm-hmm.
says compliments sometimes and then he offers help.
Okay, I get this.
So
This I get.
don't come here saying it was during the whole video. I know what you're doing. It's not cute.
Wait a minute. Are you talking to me now? I'm 61.
Hmm?
You're talking to me.
Yes, I am,
You,
Miss
you are you are talking to
Madam.
you're addressing an elder
Ma'am.
right now.
I
Okay.
am,
I came
and
up
I'm
here to be
looking at an
courteous.
elderly woman.
I
Mhm.
came up here to be courteous to Mr. Mike. I mean Uncle Mike. Because
Golden, you can let your mom speak. I'm just saying, I do recognize the slick way of saying that being inappropriate is his nature. I did not appreciate that. Sorry if I'm offending my elder. I am done.
my mouth. I never said being inappropriate was his nature. I said that's the way he reacts with all women. Okay? That's the way he talks to women. That's the way he jokes with women. Because we're putting it in the process of a joke. This is the way he jokes. Okay, if my daughter had known that, this would not have been a big situation. She did not know that. All she said was she was uncomfortable, and that's validated. But she needed to apologize for that nasty video that she made toward Mike. That apology needs to be given, and it is given as of now. Now, as far, excuse me.
No, I'm gonna apologize.
Okay, let me talk.
Make sure it's clear.
Now, as far as everybody
Golden,
on the
you
panel,
want us to be respectful of the elder, be respectful of your mother, for crying out loud.
Okay, I got that. That's right. Madgie and everybody else that's on the panel, here's the deal. You guys have X'd her out already. She cannot do anything to gather y'all care or trust or whatever you want to call it. That's not going to be done here. I told my daughter, give it deuces, make her apology, give it deuces, and leave it alone. I pray. I believe in God. We don't need to be doing this. We're all adults up here. All are adults. We're not children. And we don't need to be doing this, tearing each other down and talking about one another. That's not what we need to do. That's not what this is for.
Especially when somebody
children.
said that they was beautiful.
Well, yeah.
I don't understand any leg. That's a compliment. Let me speak for a second. Let me speak for 1 second.
You speak.
The only reason why I know about this, because I was like your daughter at one time. You couldn't tell me nothing. I don't care what you said. I got something to say against it. I was like that once before when I was in the streets. Anytime somebody says something to your daughter, she got a way to twist it to make it seem like she's right. That was me. That's how I used to be. And I had to learn the hard way to actually listen and understand the full conversation of what somebody is saying. She's not going to get it tonight. She's not going to get it this week. She's not going to get it this month. She's going to be hurt very hard, and then she's going to realize
she's been hurt.
That she needs to listen. She needs to listen. And I'm pretty sure that she gets it from her mother, because you're cutting me off. I have not cut you off one time when you was talking.
But I can handle it though. I can handle it. No, leave it alone. I can handle it.
Both of them is talking. I can hear your daughter in the background talking and you talking. So I'm going to be quiet and go ahead and let you cut me off. Go ahead.
I'm not cutting you off, but you're addressing a woman. You're addressing
No
a woman.
kidding.
You're a man.
You think
you
think I don't know that you're a woman? You said you was her mother. You think I don't know that?
Yeah,
you think I don't know that you're a woman?
I am not used to a man.
So you cut me off to tell me something that I already know? You cut me off to tell me something I already know.
I am not.
Think about what you just said.
Telling me to be quiet.
Mike.
Yes, thank you, Steph. Thank you.
Oh no, don't thank Steph.
Yeah, please don't. Because let me tell you what. Let me tell you what. You claim to be a woman of God. You claim to follow God, but what y'all did,
so do you, Steph.
What you did, and no. Let me explain something to you. What you did was nothing like a woman of God. Nothing. What your daughter did was nothing like a woman of God. You made up all time, and had her platform been bigger, it could have done some serious damage. But her platform wasn't big enough to do any type of damage. Now, I done sat up here and I done heard y'all manipulate the conversation, gaslight the conversation, try to twist it around so that everybody feels like the victim. The one thing I'm not is I'm not fake. And I'm not full.
She a liar. You're lying, Steph.
You call yourself a woman of God. When it comes to people,
you call yourself a woman of God.
I'm not with them. I don't care about your age. Your age don't mean nothing to me.
You don't have to get that hype, Steph. It's not that serious. It's not that serious.
You can bring it right here to me. I don't have no problem. God knows my heart. I don't lie to God. I don't lie to you. What you did was wrong. Absolutely wrong. Period. Point blank. If you felt a certain way, you could have contacted Mike. I got Mike's number. You try to drag everybody into your nonsense because you don't want to take accountability. Oh, my feelings are valid. My feelings are valid. Just because your feelings are valid don't mean that what you're saying is true. That is your perception. And if you've been a grown-ass woman, you would have sat down 5 minutes to talk to Mike himself. But you didn't want that. You wanted exactly what you're getting right now. That's exactly what you wanted. You wanted
Steph, you gotta stop. You gotta stop. Because this is not true. This is not true.
I'll see you and
looking at you. Now you got it. You ain't got to worry about my channel because you already know y'all, neither one of y'all coming up in here. I don't give a damn about your